y'all feeling, man? Raise my virtual world. Shout out to everybody in the California, man. Yeah, yo. Shout out to Tank Shaq, nigga. Go over here. Shout out to Big Meat, nigga. Carolina, come up here, nigga. Starting this shit. I know it's going. Shout out to Fino, nigga. I know it's going on and smoke. I guess this shit going on, man. Gentlemen, yeah, yeah. I don't have to listen to me, though. You hear me? I swear to God, I ain't heard shit like this before.
Talk to him, Joe.
I swear to God, I don't have to listen to it. You feel me?
Yeah.
It's a whole lot of first day. I don't see it, but if you got a first year out and shit get real, niggas get used to seeing it. Ain't nobody got no money for you because they say they got just seen the niggas you got last year. You feel me?
Y'all get over Pedro Sanchez, make some noise, make some noise, make some fucking noise. Y'all make some noise for yourself. Okay, I want to let y'all in on a little secret. July 26th, that's my birthday, so everybody born in July. If you hear with somebody celebrating a birthday this month, point them out. They stand out, stand them up, point them out, point them out. Put the light on the birthday person, put the light on the birthday. Look, I'm going to tell y'all like this. I'm happy to see another fucking year. Put the light on a birthday person. Let's go. Come on. Light them up.